Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required to download something, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data because you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something. So after the internet connection, let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to be signed in, so just log into your Google account and then tap on the circle, which is basically your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the full list of all currently installed apps, and if you'd like to check the updates for them, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 20 updates, which I can download, and here they will appear on this list. So now basically all you have to do is to simply find the app you'd like to update and mark it. So let me pick, for example, the Gmail, the Google, and maybe Digital Wellbeing. Whichever, of course, you can pick only one or of those apps or all of them. It's up to you. And then just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, those apps, those updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you don't really need to do anything more. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.